Today, I will show you how to generate Ghibli images using Gemini. Start by opening Gemini on the app or in AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. Upload the photo you want to transform. This can be anything, like a street in your city, a landscape, or even a simple snapshot. After uploading, type a clear prompt describing how you want the photo to look. For example, write "Turn this photo into a Studio Ghibli-style scene with soft colors, warm lighting, hand-drawn textures, and a magical atmosphere." The more details you add about mood, light, and colors, the better the result will be. Gemini will process your photo and give you a new version in the Ghibli style. If the first image does not look right, refine it by typing short adjustments such as make it brighter, add more trees, or give it a watercolor background. Each time Gemini will update the photo until it matches what you imagined. When you are happy with the result, save the image in high quality. On the Gemini app, tap the three dots and choose Save. On AI Studio, right-click and save to your computer. That is all you need to do to generate Ghibli images using Gemini.